Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will talk about the roles and responsibility of faculty. Roles and responsibility of the faculty, staff, and the institutional body in a institution. The role of responsibility of the institutions are given: number one, governing body; number two, academic council; number three, college academic committee; number four, principal; number five, dean academics; number six, registrar, formerly dean administration; number seven, controller of examination, dean examination; number eight, dean student affairs; number nine, dean R&D; number 10, dean PG programs in the engineering; number 11, head of the department; number 12, program coordinator; number 13, group head, division head; number 14, faculty; number 15, course coordinator; number 16, faculty advisor, mentor; number 17, class advisor; number 18, department's examination branch coordinator; number 19, department's placement and alumni coordinator; number 19, lab in charge; number 21, electronics lab technician; number 22, system administrator; number 23, training and placement officer; number 24, administrative officer; number 25, accounts officer; number 26, transport in charge; number 27, physical director; number 28, librarian; number 29, office assistant; number 30, maintenance supervisor; number 31, in charge electrical maintenance. Major functions and responsibility of the governing body in a institutions will be as follows. The governing body of the college has inter alia members drawn from the industry, affiliating university, and experts from the academic field. From industry, affiliating university, and experts from the academic field. The governing body gives direction to the college management. Its function and responsibility are formulate the academic aims and objective of the institution and guide the institution toward the achievement of the same. Examine the recommendation of college academic council and prepare a roadmap for the achieving the goal of the institution. Monitor academic research and other related activity of the college and guide them in the correct direction. Prepare a strategic plan for financial, infrastructural, and staffing areas. Number five, consider the recommendation in the staff selection committee and approve the same. Number six, consider the important communication policy decision received from the university, government, AICTA, UGC. Encourage and facilitate college apply for the accreditation certification, if any. Facilitate and encourage college faculty apply for the research project and proposal. Monitor the student faculty development program and guiding the college appropriately so that they achieve the end objective. Facilitate starting of the new UG program, decide on the discontinuing any existing program and increase decrease intake into the UG and PG program. Consider the recommendation of the college academic committee of the college and direct them for implementation. Examine the budget proposal and accord approval. Pass the annual budget of the college. Facilitate checking the audited income expenditure account and approve the same for the college annually. Number 15, consider and facilitate college to resolve legal court cases, if any. Functions of the academic council. The college academic council will be solely responsible to scrutinize and approve the proposal with or without modification of the boards of the study with regard to the course of study, academic regulation, curricula, syllabus, modification thereof, instruction and evaluation, arrangement, methods, procedure, relevant thereto stricta, provided that there where the academic council differs on any proposal, it will be have the right to return the matter of for reconsideration to the board of the study concerned or reject it after giving the reason to do so. Make regulations regarding the admission of the student different programs of study in the college. Make regulation of the sports extracurricular activity, proper maintenance functioning of the playground and the hostel. Recommend the governing body proposal for institution of the new program of the study. Recommended to the governing body institution of scholarship, studentship, fellowship, prizes and medals, and to frame regulation for the award for the same. Advise the governing body on the suggestion pertaining to the academic affairs made by it. Perform such other function as may be assigned by the governing body or statutory body of the university.